Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by using a Google account linked to your business email or phone. This keeps ownership clean. Once signed in, gather the essentials: legal name, address, phone, website, and hours, because you'll enter them immediately. Now go to Google Business Profile and click Manage Now. Choose whether you represent the business or work for it. After that, type your business name and watch autofill suggestions to avoid duplicates. Pick the exact matching listing or create a new one to proceed. Next, choose the most accurate primary category. This affects search relevance. Then add secondary services or attributes to refine discovery. Enter your address, or, if you serve customers offsite, set a service area. Make sure phone and website are correct to enable clicks. Add business hours, special hours, and a clear description explaining what makes you unique. For verification, Google will offer postcard, phone, email, or instant options. Pick the fastest available and request verification now so your listing can publish sooner. Once verified, publish the profile and immediately add high-quality photos, logo, and a cover image to boost clicks. Write a concise 750-character description and services list. Monitor your dashboard for insights, incoming messages, review notifications, and suggested edits. Respond to reviews to improve reputation. If your listing is suspended, check for policy violations and correct them. If a duplicate exists, claim and merge or report the duplicate. Finally, re-request verification if the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.